Hello crafties, welcome to another video. My name is Infiniti and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to put a border on your granny square projects. So say you have a project you've already fastened off, or maybe you didn't, but you want to put a border around it in single crochet. So first of all, for borders, what I like to do is actually have a smaller hook. This is an I, so it's a 5.5 millimeter. I'm going to go ahead and switch it out to a 5 millimeter. Not that dramatic of a change, but worthwhile. So say you've already bound it off, fastened off, and you want to add that little border to it. What you're going to do is find a corner, or at least this is my preferred style. You're going to find a corner, and you are going to work in that stitch right before you get to the corner. And I'm using a different color so you guys can see. We're just gonna attach it and chain 1 to secure it. Okay. And I am going to single crochet in that same stitch. Alright. And now what I'm going to do, because I have two chains in this space, I'm probably going to work 3, maybe 4 single crochets into that chain space. So there's 1, 2, and 3. And really, when you're bordering off a corner like this, you have to look and see the more stitches that you add to these spaces, that will determine how sharp or how squared off your corner will look. So if you want a little rounded, soft, gentle corner, you can stay with 3. If you want it a little sharper, I would say add 2 more, make it 5. Just push those bad boys over, insert your hook, alright. And now what you can do is simply start crocheting in each stitch along this row, weaving in any possible ends that you have. I don't know where you guys fastened off, but I joined at the corner right before I fastened off, so I'm going to be weaving him in. That stitch can be a little ornery to work in. We're just going to hold that yarn down and work a stitch right over top of that. And we're going to keep working. My swatch wall is looking so colorful, guys. Alright, and we're coming to this next corner. So again, I'm going to put 5 single crochets into this chain 2 space. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Alright. And now I'm going to work in each stitch around or along this side rather. So used to working in the round. Gonna work those 5 single crochets. 2, 3, 4, and 5. And now I'm gonna work, basically gonna work this side just like I've worked the other sides, making sure I put my 5 single crochets in this space and then putting 1 single crochet in each stitch along on this edge. Alright, and now I've worked in my last stitch, and I'm just going to slip stitch into the top of this single crochet, the first single crochet that we made. And you can then fasten off. And so definitely after you put a border on this thing, you're going to want to block it. That's for sure. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's little quick tutorial, and you can let me know how I did down in the comment below, or just say hi. Hit the thumbs up button, that helps me and my videos get seen. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on awesome future content. I usually post twice weekly. Go ahead, check out my other social media for more crochet projects and artwork. Also consider donating to my Ko-fi page or checking out the Ravelry shop. I do have a few patterns up. And until next time guys, happy making.